The Bandit Beast 4680 XP grinder is a top-tier horizontal grinder known for its power and efficiency. It boasts a 1,200 horsepower engine, a massive 59.5-inch diameter cutter mill, and a high-capacity in-feed system. With a large 45-inch by 60-inch opening and the ability to handle material up to 45 inches in diameter, it's perfect for heavy-duty applications. Its robust construction ensures durability, while the track model's mobility allows for easy operation on rough terrains. This grinder is ideal for high-volume wood processing and other demanding industrial tasks.